Hello students, today my topic is termite proofing. First of all, we have to know what is termites. Termites, or we also known as white ants, causes damage to woodwork, furnitures, interior spaces, exterior spaces, building structures, etc. There are two types of termites. First one is dry wood termite and the second one is subterranean termites. So dry wood termites are basically causes damage to woodworks. They lives in small colonies and they exist in only humid areas. In India, they exist basically in South India. And about subterranean termites, they lives in large colonies. They lives basically in soil under the ground, and they exist in northeast areas. And about termite proofing, there are anti-termite treatment, which we should done to avoid the entry of termites in a building. First one is pre-construction treatment, the second one is post-construction treatment. So about pre-construction treatment, there are three stages in which we can done the anti-termite treatment. First one, is your site preparation. Second one is soil treatment. And the third one is structural barriers. So about site preparation, before building any structure, we have to do the site preparation for anti-termite treatment. So for that, we have to just remove the roots, the wooden logs, etc. from the site, which we have to prepare before the building structure construction. And second one is your soil treatment. In this soil treatment, there are three stages of removing the termite from the area. So for that, there are three stages. First one is foundation pits. So in this foundation pit, we have to just before placing the foundation, we have to just place the soil and pour some emulsion that is rich in insecticide, and then we have to put the foundations there. The second one is refilling earth. After placing the foundation, we have to refill earth with the help of that emulsion that is rich in DDT, aldrin and BHC and chlordane. So with the help of these insecticide, we will just put the refilled earth near the foundation pits to avoid the entrance of termites in that area. The third one is flooring. After refilling of earth, we just do the flooring part with the help of that insecticide. We just spray the insecticides in the flooring area to avoid the entrance of termites. So these one are the soil treatment that we can do for the anti-termite treatment. The third one is structural barriers. For structural barriers, we have to just place the metal sheets or the concrete layers to the masonry in the after certain layers of masonry to avoid the entrance of termites in that particular masonry. These are pre-construction techniques we can apply for the anti-termite treatment. The next one is post-construction treatment. For this post-construction treatment, we will just after the building structure is made and there are the attack of termites, we will just spray some anti-termite insecticides, that is DDT, BHC, Aldrin, and just save the building from the entry of termites. Thank you so much.